Good morning, children. I am Mubina Inamdar. Today I am taking Maths Spread for UKG class. Children, in our previous class, we learned arranging the numerals in right order and the numeral that comes just before and the numeral that comes just after. So, now today we are learning what comes in between. What comes in between? Write the numeral that comes in between. One has been done for you. See, 3 and 5. In between 3 and 5, which numeral comes? 4. So, here one is done for you. For example, next one is 8 and 10. In between 8 and 10, which numeral comes? 9. Next, 48, 50. In between 40 and 50, which numeral comes? 49. Next, 28 and 30. In between 28 39, in between 28 and 30, 29 comes. 20, 22. In between 20 and 22, 21 comes. Next, 39, 41. In between 39 and 41 is 40. Next, 13 and 15. In between 30 and 15, which numeral comes? 14. Next one, 37 and 39. In between 37 and 39, 38. 34 and 36. In between 34 and 36, which numeral comes? Yes, tell me, children. 35. Next one, 30 and 32. 30 and 32. In between 30 and 32, 31 comes. Children, do this exercise in your home. This one also is what comes in between. You have to do yourself this exercise. So, our next topic is ascending order. Ascending order. Ascending order means small to big one. Small to big one. You have to arrange the numerals from small to big one. One is done for you. Arrange the numerals in ascending order. Arrange the numerals in ascending order. One has been done for you. Here one is done. Next one, 32, 83, 56, 94, 3. So which numeral first comes? 3. Next one is 32. Next one is 56. Next one is 83. And next one is last one, 94. Like this you have to do all these examples. Next one, 54, 99, 23, 9, 19. So first comes small one. Small one is 9. After 9, 19. After 19, 23. After 23, 54. After 54, 99. Next one, 76, 68, 18, 88, 8. So smallest one is 8. Next one is 18. And next one is 68. And next one is 76. And next one is 88. Last one, 33, 63, 36, 3, 13. So smallest one is 3. Next one is 13. After 13, 33. After 33, 36. Next, 63. Children, do this exercise in your textbook and send on my WhatsApp number. Like this, same as do this one also. This one also. Ascending order. Ascending order. Do like this yourself. Next one is descending order. Here you have to arrange the numerals from bigger one to smallest one. Arrange the numerals in descending order. One has been done for you. Here 55, 13, 35, 24, 44 is given numerals. Among these numerals, which one is big one? So 55. Here 55 first one written. After 55, 44, 35, 24 and smallest one is last 13. Like this. See in next example. 91, 37, 31, 21, 32. So biggest one is 91. After 91, 37 is big. After 37, 32 is big one. After 32, 31. After 31, 21. Like this. 62, 84, 66, 76, 96. So biggest one is 96. Next one is 84. And next one is 76, 66, 62. Next one 75, 95, 51, 97, 89. So biggest one is 97. After 97, 95, 95. After 89, after 89, 75. After 75, 51. Next one is 15, 95, 85, 65, 25. So biggest one is 95. After 95, 85, 65, 25, then 15. Like this, do this exercise in your textbook and send on my WhatsApp number. Same as like you have to do this one exercise also, which is on page number 98. Which is on page number 98. Descending order. Children, do these three exercise. First one is what comes in between, and second one is ascending order, and third one is descending order. Do this all exercise in your home and send on my WhatsApp number.